have half of it bent and turned, and the other half I left long so I can mark it on the roof. So I just put it in place. Gonna roughly cut some of this excess material off like this. This isn't a finished cut. I'm just getting excess material out of my way so I can then reinstall this panel and get a very accurate mark. So I popped it in and get my pencil. I'm gonna mark right where it crosses that hook on in the valley. And I take it out, transfer my mark to the back. I grab my tape, I flip it over, and it doubles as a ruler for these short little lines. Make my line, make my 1-inch line that I cut on, so I leave some excess material that we can fold over after. So there's a 1-inch extra strip that I can bend into a flap like I'm doing right here.